Hello, welcome to the Sister Abigail show. I'm Abigail. Glad to have you with us here today. I just got back from having a nice cup of coffee with a friend of mine, and that was a great time. Over the past few days, I've been really sick, but I've got this nagging cough, okay, that just will not go away. And I thought today I would take time for the show to share with you the ultimate natural remedy for a nagging cough. Okay? Now, I don't have any of these ingredients because, I just rent a room in a house. But if I had these ingredients, this is what I would do right away, okay? First thing you need is some garlic, okay? Garlic, if your throat starts to get sore or infected, will, use its natural antibiotic properties and help fight the infection, help make your throat feel better. And honey, okay? Honey will coat your throat. It'll practically make the cough go away. So the remedy is garlic and honey. Now, I know a lot of people like to put whole, cloves of garlic, fill up a jar, with a plastic lid and, dump honey in over it, and that's an excellent way to do it. However, I just like to take a garlic press and press just one clove of garlic into a spoon and then kind of pour honey on top of that, or even a half a clove of garlic, and just swallow it. It's not always the best tasting thing, but I promise you it works. Well, let me know if you've ever tried this remedy, or if you have any other special natural cough remedies, and I'd love to hear your thoughts, your testimonies, your experiences. So anyways, thanks for listening to today's show. God bless you.